We'll talk a little bit more about rhombuses here. It tells us that we have this rhombus named QRST, and we want to decide whether the statements here are always true or sometimes true. So it says that the angle Q will be congruent to angle S. Okay, well here's just the typical rhombus right here. And we see Q and S are opposite of each other. And what we know is that a rhombus is a parallelogram, and a parallelogram, the opposite angles are always true. So this would be always true because it's a parallelogram. Now, if you want to use the symbol for parallelogram, you simply draw a little tiny parallelogram, and that'll keep you from having to write that word out. Then it says, well, what about angle Q? Is it congruent to angle R? Well, not in this picture, but if I drew this rhombus like this, they would be 90, and it would be. So this would be sometimes true. Sometimes true if the rhombus is a square. Now, keep this idea in mind. All squares are rhombuses. We know all squares are rhombuses, but not all rhombuses are squares. And you need to think about that. So all squares are rhombuses, but not all rhombuses are squares. So your answers were always true and sometimes true.